I welcome you all to this session on entrepreneurship. In this session, let us discuss about the various types of entrepreneurs on different bases. Previously, we have discussed about enterprise, entrepreneur, skill, traits, characters, functions, so on and so forth. First, let us take the basis. Say entrepreneurs based on different dimensions can be classed or take the form of according to the type of business, maybe the nature what they do, and according to the use of technology, to the extent to which they use technology in their business, according to the motivation to the entrepreneur to become entrepreneur, according to growth, level of growth, then area of operation, and the gender and age of the entrepreneur, and on the base of sale of operations. First, on the basis of type of business, or nature of the business may take either of manufacturing or distribution of goods and services. So first, business entrepreneur, individuals who conceive an idea for the new product or service and then create a business to materialize their idea. As you know, business in the sense manufacturing or distribution of goods and services, where the addition of values or utilities takes place. So business enterprise, either manufacturing or distribution of products and services. Second one is trading entrepreneur, who does not undertake any manufacturing activity, but they are dealer in stock goods manufactured by others, is one who undertakes trading activities and is not concerned with the manufacturing work. As you know, first case consists both. Then industrial entrepreneur, mainly concerned with the manufacture. As you know, industry is concerned with the formation of or change of form of the product, where the process form utility will be created. One is maybe the genetic industry or extract industry, what extracting from the nature, wealth from the nature, or reproduction of goods, plants, birds and all, or animals, or construction of building in dam, or the manufacturing like say assembly line, or even a refinery like. So a manufacturer who identifies the potential needs of customer and tailors product to meet the marketing needs. Industry concerned in manufacturing. Then corporate entrepreneur is a person who demonstrates his innovative skill in organizing and managing corporate undertakings. Then agriculture entrepreneur, normally he concentrates on agricultural activity, is one who undertake agriculture activity as raising and marketing of crops or fertilizers and other inputs, or any plants and plantations, or your fruit, vegetables and all. Then retail entrepreneur, one who deal with retail trading, small business. Then service enterprise, distribution, generation and distribution of service, which concerned with rendering of special or expert or technical services. This is based on the type of business. Then at the rate of use of technology, one is a technical entrepreneur. He demonstrates his innovative capability in the matter of production of goods and rendering of services. Then non-technical entrepreneur, concerned only with the developing alternatives of marketing and distribution. See, it's only distribution or strategy to promote their business. Then professional entrepreneurs, is one who is interested in establishing business but does not have interest in managing it. So he establishes and gives or recruits others for managing that affairs. So technical, non-technical, and professional. Then according to motivation, what he get? Say pure entrepreneur is an individual who is motivated by psychological and economic reward. Say when you start, you'll get a profit. Start your own business. You can maximize wealth. Creation of wealth takes place. In addition to that, what you get? You will get a satisfaction, psychological satisfaction, that status, recognition, total content, the life or my contentment will achieve. Then induce the entrepreneur by looking at others. It's one who induced to take up entrepreneurial task due to the policy measures of the government. Maybe forceful you can say. Then motivated, they are motivated by desire of self-fulfillment. Motivated entrepreneurs are those who wish to start for the realization of their business. Then spontaneous, without having much preparation and interest, or it is say with the inborn abilities, those who start their business of their own by natural talents. You can call them as a family and community entrepreneurs on other basis. According to area, urban area and rural area entrepreneurs. In the urban area, when he starts a business, can be taken as urban. Rural people or such entrepreneurs move to rural to get other benefits, maybe tax holidays, or sometimes exemption from license fees and other thing. Then on the basis of according to gender and age, men entrepreneur, women entrepreneur, you have a separate chapter on woman entrepreneur, the uniqueness and special features of women entrepreneurs. At the same time, the special problems what they face and what sort of special encouragement they get from the government and other than men in general. Next, according to sales of operation, small scale entrepreneur and large scale. So depending on the size of the business, you can add there small or medium, micro, then large. Depends upon the size of the size of the business. Accordingly, they need to invest. Then classification of entrepreneurs. First types now classification. Say motivating entrepreneurs, imitative entrepreneurs, Fabian entrepreneurs, broad entrepreneurs. Not motivating, innovating. Innovative, one who takes a change as a challenge and keeps or brings change in his business. So now we shall discuss one by one. Motivating entrepreneurs is one who introduces a new goods and inaugurates a new method of production, discovers a new market, and recognizes the enterprise. So innovative nature, who is very much interested to bring new thing in the business. Then imitative entrepreneurs usually characterized by readiness to adapt. Maybe by looking at the success of others. So readiness to adopt successful innovations inaugurated by innovating entrepreneurs. Innovating who takes initiative and they succeed by looking at their success, others copy. So they imitate the successful innovating entrepreneurs. Then Fabian entrepreneurs characterized by great caution and skepticism is experimenting any change in their enterprise. They are not taking any, let's say, challenge or experiments they do. They wish to continue as it is. Maybe let's just taking. Then the entrepreneurs, these are characterized by refusal to adopt opportunity. Though there is opportunity, they are not going to expand or make changes in production. Formula even at the cost of severely reduced return related to the other type of producers. So they stick to old. These are certain classes of entrepreneurs. Thank you. Enough for the session.